going on, everybody? It's Richard Koberger here, the Blue Collar Nerd. Hey, just a real quick one today. I just got off the most recent ServiceTitan Town Hall meeting. That's a webinar-style meeting that we do approximately quarterly, where people from ServiceTitan will go over kind of the roadmap of what's being worked on and answer some questions from you guys, the audience. So one of the features that was being shown off in this town hall meeting as an upcoming feature was categories for proposal templates. And in the chat while that was happening, I saw this comment. It says, "We need proposal templates on the office side." And at first I didn't really think anything of it, but then it started getting like a bunch of reactions and thumbs up and hearts and stuff. And when this comment started getting all these likes, I got really confused because you've already got it. Allow me to demonstrate. So I'm here on a location page. I'm going to go up to this kebab menu here and say build estimate. I'm going to select a business unit. Let's say it's HVAC install. And then here they are. These are the proposal templates that I have built out in the sample account. So you can see your 2-ton gas system that has 4 estimates inside of it. And if I hover over that, it kind of gives me a breakdown of what those estimates are. So I can simply check that off, hit done. And then here is my opportunity built out with all of those estimates. So that's it, that's how that's done. If you're watching this and you didn't know about this feature, it would be really helpful to us at ServiceTitan if you could leave a comment down below to just kind of say how it is that you missed this. And I say that not to be like, oh you idiot, how could you have missed this? It's just that when people ask for features that already exist, it's always a bit concerning to me, because typically that indicates that there's something not very clear about the user interface. Now to me personally, this one strikes me as clear, but it seems like a lot of people weren't aware, so if it's not clear to you, it would be really helpful to understand why. Appreciate it. Peace.